I believe when we were last here, we were looking at this mess here. We had the hole cut, we had the sheet metal cut, but we didn't have anything else done. So the sheet metal's here. As you can tell, it's welded in. It's been cleaned up a little bit, not all the way. And then that leads us over here to this mess. You say, old boy done flipped his train. What kind of monkeyed up situation do we have going on here? Well, this, I hope, will finish taking the place there. So what's gonna happen now? I hope. Around we go again. Is get this cleaned up and actually looking like a part. And see what happens from there. All right, got this piece made. It, I don't know, it is what it is. We're gonna, this will go on here. Once it's in the car, that one goes on top. This one comes in underneath. And as you can tell, I'm gonna have to fix that before it goes in the car. And I think this is probably gonna be my next mission for tonight. And then maybe tomorrow we'll look at getting it all put together. But for right now, I got my little foot piece, whatever you call this bracket thing, made, and I'm satisfied with it. Personally, I think the only difference between me and Chip Foose is he would make that look good. But you know, hey, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Got something on her mind. I think she found herself a ground squirrel somewhere. She ain't moved from that spot in a bit. Twizzler! Twizzy! Alright. Lay down. Good girl. Alright, and there it is. I think it's all ready to go tomorrow. But for tonight, I think I'm gonna get some supper and call this done. Pick up. What do you think, Twiz? Want a cookie? Come here. Want a cookie? Let's go get a cookie. Yeah. You like cookies? Do you like cookies? Looky there. Looky there, Twizzy. Alright, there it is. All made, cut, welded, weld through, primered, whatever. It's not completely cleaned up, but I don't know how much I'm gonna worry about that. It's all gonna get covered up with seats and carpet and whatnot. The next thing I am gonna have to do is remake a lot of this. And I kind of decided to do this in a smaller section because I thought it would be easier for me to form and shape, you know, a little piece than try and make all one giant piece. I don't know if that was the right decision or not, but that's the one I'm going with. But as far as what was here, there's Joe built, there's Chevy built. So I don't know. I like it. I'm satisfied. I'll take it. Have a good day. I will have to take a break from the Nova. I got another project coming tomorrow that I got to do for a guy. I'm sure I'll introduce you to that. So have yourselves a good weekend. I'm going to go try and talk Mama into buying me supper. Have a good one, guys.